Hi everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna talk about the MAECI scholarship, which is open for application. Now, this is all what you would need to do. First of all, you go to the website, which is studying in Italy. And then the next thing is for you to register. So now, how do you register? This is the first step I'm taking you through. And then note that even those who have already registered before, you still have to register again. Now, this is, first of all, let's read about the grant. You come to the grant here, you click on it, you have call for application, you click on that. So this is the deadline, 26th of March 2026, and then you come here, the bundle 2026-2027 in English. So here 26-27 in English, you click on that one, it's going to open as this, and the deadline is here again. Note, you would have to read through this file very careful. It contains all the information about the scholarship. And then this year, there's a good news. They've increased the amount of money, from 9,000 to 10,000. But note, if you are going to be more than 28 years by the deadline, then you can apply for this scholarship if you are coming to Italy to study your master's degree. But then for PhD too, you shouldn't be above 30. Yes. So now, let me take you through how you can create an account. So you come here, you see register here, you click on that. Here is basic information about yourself, your name, surname, telephone number, and you see this is basic. But take note that all the sections indicated with asterisk are very important. You can't skip them. So this is what you need to do. Then you come to the second one, which is documents. So here you select the type of documents. You can either your identity card or passport. But then my advice for you is use your passport as an international student. Yeah. So you use your passport. You just scan the biodata page and then you upload it here. But it should not exceed 2 megabytes. Then you go to the next, which is the final stage of the registration. You create username and then password here in your email. So this username and the password is what you're gonna use to access the website to submit your application. So now after you are done with this one, you click on register. Then from here, you start with the application. Now let's go to the application itself. So now that you are done with your registration, you just have to log in and then you'll come to my application here. Then you scroll up, you see complete your application. This one, I've already started an application. I'm just using this as an example. So if you've not started, you see start your application here, you click on that one. Then it's in 3 sections. The first one is the personal information, the information you filled during the registration process. So you wouldn't need to touch this one. You just have to go to the next one, which is the course selection. So here, this is your course selection, everything about the course you want to do in Italy. So here they'll ask whether you've already benefited from the scholarship. So those who were awarded the scholarship last year and renewing, just take yes. And here they are asking about this, will you need to submit supplementary document as per at 7.2 of the call? So that's why I made mention that it's very important for you to read the call, that file they've posted on the website, which contains the information about the scholarship. So here you choose, is it masters you are going to do, higher artistic education, PhD, whatever you select it. And then here, if you come here, I made an example here. So achieve mark over expected mark. So here you just have to type in the mark you had. So for instance, so this is an example I typed here. For instance, if you had 80 over 100, or let's say 80.5 over 100, you just type it here. So those of you using CWS, this is what you need. If it is CGPA, you just type, let's, I don't know, 3.5 over 4. This is it. Then here, the next thing you are supposed to do is the university you are going. So for example, I'm using here University of Tushia here. Then the course name that you are going to do. You don't need to get an admission first. Even if you've already applied and waiting, you just have to type it, and then the city where the university is, you type it here, and then you choose the English. Now you can save it as draft. Yes, whenever you are done with this thing, save it as draft, so that should in case you are unable to finish the application, whenever you log in, you can see the information you typed. So the next thing is go to next. This is the last part, and this sometimes challenging because the size of the file should not exceed 2 megabytes, and then the name is very important. You have to make the name short. Yes, so that's you can upload the file. So here's your curriculum vitae, which is CV. You upload it, and then academic qualification, that's body for admission to the chosen program. So the academic qualification is your certificate, your undergraduate certificate. Yeah, and then here it also talks about your transcript of record. You upload the transcript, and then language certificate, that's English proficiency. Yeah, so you can get this from, I don't know, my time when I was applying, I got this from my school, the English department. They just have to write a letter for you because my program was taught in English. Others too, I don't know, some people also take exams like that. Yeah. So here is your motivation letter. You have to upload the motivation letter, which should be just a page, not more than a page, and then other documents. So this other document is for those who are renewing the scholarship, who have already awarded the scholarship last year and renewing. You just have to upload your current transcripts, and yeah, and then your study confirmation here. You can merge everything together, and you have to upload them here. So after everything, you tick in this box, and then you click on next. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you all the best in your application. See you again.